Well, time now, 7:19. Temperature is already boosting to 64 degrees, Mary. Going to be a warmer one today.
Oh, yeah. And, we're actually going to see this trend. So if you're one of the people that didn't really like those chilly mornings where some were in the upper 30s, well, this week is for you. And look how beautiful the sky is right now in downtown. I just put a picture on my Twitter. I caught it just in time. The sunrise, the sky was pink, lit up just like the buildings were for Breast Cancer Awareness Month. So looking at 64 degrees right now, we do have cloudy skies. Winds are out of the south-southwest at about 5 to 10 miles per hour. That's pumping in all of that warmer air and moisture. So we do have some cooler spots out there, but still well above average. Normally our low should be at about 48 degrees. We're at 56 Katanning, 59 in Clarion. We're at 64 in Washington, 66 in Beaver Falls, and 62 right now in Newcastle and Butler. From this time yesterday, it's a lot warmer by nearly 15 to even close to 25 degrees for some spots. So right now on our satellite and radar, we are starting to see those showers push in from the west, and a lot of those showers are staying further to the north. That's where a lot of the heavier rainfall will be. Some of these south of I-80 not even reaching the ground, but we're also seeing that increase in moisture. So areas north of I-80, you do have rain that you're dealing with, a few pockets of heavier rain at that. So north of Punxsutawney into parts of Jefferson County. But through today, we are looking at that risk even for a few stray thunderstorms, a rumble or two of thunder. Nothing severe is really expected with that, though. Just windy conditions could have some gusts about 20 miles per hour at times. It's going to be soggy and mild through the work week. The driest day looks to be Tuesday. So if you do have plans today, maybe to go to any fall festivities, make sure you keep that umbrella close by. It's not going to rain the whole entire day, but these are going to be widely scattered showers. So you're going to see those continuing throughout early tomorrow morning, a few pockets of heavier rain. That's that yellow and orange indication. And then by Monday night, looks like those are going to be tapering off right after dinner time, setting us up for a fairly dry Tuesday. And temperatures are still going to be very warm. So in terms of how much rainfall we can expect, now this is going all the way through Monday morning. We could pick up about a half of an inch to even close to an inch for some spots because of those isolated heavier downpours that we could see through the overnight period. So with any thunderstorms, you want to expect higher amounts of rainfall. So looking at the best chance for rain really today, and then we're going to start to see them taper off, leaving us with a dry Tuesday, and then more rain expected through the end of the week. 74 today. We'll have some windy conditions at times, and we're going to stay into the mid 60s overnight tonight with a few showers and storms. So looking at our 7-day forecast, mid 70s, upper 70s there Tuesday. We'll have some sunshine around, just maybe a stray shower or two. For the end of the week, we're still in the mid 70s with scattered showers, but it looks like it's going to shape up just in time for the weekend. Saturday, partly cloudy with a high of 76.